This video will cover how to edit event lines in the offline copy of the training GISS Edit service. There are many ways to construct event lines in ArcGIS Pro. I'll cover Replace Sketch, Copy-Paste Special, and Heads-Up Digitizing. First, I have a feature class of the Temporary Flight Restriction, or TFR, that I've downloaded from the FAA's website and filed into the GeoOps directory. I'll add it to my edit map. Using the Temporary Flight Restriction feature template in the Create Features pane, I'll add the Notice to Airmen or NOTAM number to the Comments field. Right-click on the TFR shape. Select Replace Sketch and then use F2 on the keyboard to finish the line. If you're using the CIDL approval workflow, update the feature status attribute to Approved. Then, save edits and remove the TFR layer from the map. Next, there are two high-voltage power lines near the fire that I've been asked to enter as aerial hazards. I've been given a flight hazard dataset, but it has more than the high-voltage power lines that I need, so I'll confirm with the Situation Unit Leader and only add the lines that air operations are concerned about. Ensure the edit map is activated. Select the flight hazard lines in question. In this case, they just want these two lines that intersect the TFR. Copy them, then paste Special into the aerial hazard line feature template. Add to the comments field that these are high-voltage power lines. If you're using the CIDL approval workflow, update the feature status attribute to Approved. Save edits and remove the flight hazard layer from the edit map. Finally, the Situation Unit Leader has provided information that the completed road as line along Silver Saddle Drive is approved. The planned dozer line coming off the end of it is now completed and also approved. Operations will be adding hand line on the 15E06 trail that extends from the dozer line, and that needs to be added in as planned hand line, and it's approved as well. For a quick way to visualize the feature status in your edit project, there is a layer file in the Event Layer Files subfolder of the Tools folder called Event Group Feature Status. If you add this to your edit project below the Event Group All Layers, and repair the layers to the offline copy, you will get a halo under each feature that indicates whether the feature is proposed, in review, approved, or archived, just like the CIDL Approver app. I'll make the feature status layers unselectable in the edit project so that I'm only trying to edit the layers symbolized by feature category. First, I'll update the feature status of the completed road as line to Approved. Next, I'll update the feature category of the planned dozer line to Completed dozer line and update the feature status to Approved. Next, using the Planned Handline feature template, I'll digitize a planned handline along the 15E06 trail on the base map and set the feature status to Approved. If you had vector trail data here, you could use the Trace tool to trace the trail for improved accuracy. Save edits.